A water damage inspection is a critical step in the restoration process for a home. The first step is to shut off the water source as quickly as possible. Leaving a leak unattended can lead to extensive damage. However, there are ways to minimize the effects of water damage and prevent future problems. For example, if you notice mildew in your home, you may have water damage in your basement. Having an inspector inspect your home can help you find the source of the mildew and trace its cause. The next step is to assess the amount of water that has penetrated your home. Typically, a water damage inspector will look for 5% to 40% combined surface area of the walls, floors, and ceilings. A higher percentage means the water has penetrated the surrounding areas and has been there for a long time. Additionally, the water should be removed from all areas to prevent the growth of mold. A professional water damage inspection will also check your plumbing for cracks, stains, and other damage. A water damage inspection will also check for any structural damage. Once a water damage inspector has assessed the amount of water, they will determine the severity of the damage. A professional water damage inspection will assess the extent of the damage and determine how much it will cost to fix. Depending on the extent of the damages, a professional water damage inspection can cost thousands of dollars. So if you're considering a water damage inspection, consider the costs and the risks that come with it. Having a professional water damage inspection done is essential for any property owner. These professionals are equipped with specialized tools that will reveal hidden water damage and minimize the damage. A trained water damage inspector will use moisture sensor probes to assess moisture levels and infrared thermography to identify hidden areas of water damage. They will also note down the amount of water and other damage caused by the water. Once this is completed, you'll be ready to contact your insurance company to claim for your property. The smell of water is usually a sign of water damage. You'll have to make sure that you get rid of contaminated materials and dry out the affected area. If you have mold or a mildew problem, it can lead to a lot of problems. To avoid these problems, it is essential to get a water damage inspection done as soon as possible. You'll be glad you did. It will help you avoid costly repairs in the future. A water damage inspection is important to determine the extent of the damage. A professional will use a 4-step assessment to determine what items you can salvage. Regardless of the type of damage, you'll want to contact a restoration service to ensure proper drying. Despite the price of a water damage inspection, the process is a complicated and time-consuming process. If you don't have the time to conduct one, hire a professional to make sure the job is done properly. If you have water damage, getting an inspection done is a vital step in the restoration process. Whether it's a flood, cracked foundation, leaky pipes, or any other cause, a water damage inspection is essential in preventing a mold infestation or expensive renovations. Using a professional inspector will help you determine the extent of the damage and ensure that all affected areas are safe and sanitary. If you find water damage, you'll be able to find the problem and seek the appropriate help for restoration. A water damage inspection is crucial for homeowners in a flood or house fire. It provides a clear picture of what needs to be replaced and will help you negotiate with your insurance company. It can also give you an idea of the value of your property. A water damage inspection is an essential step in the restoration process. A professional water damage inspector will be able to provide you with written reports of the entire process, as well as a comprehensive assessment of the damages. A water damage inspection is important for a variety of reasons. If you suspect a leak, you might want to hire a professional to determine its cause and mitigate the damage. Even if you only suspect a small leak, a larger leak could cause long-term problems, including mold and foundation problems. In addition, water damages can be difficult to detect on your own, so hiring a professional is a wise decision. The best water damage inspection is important for your home or business, and will help you restore it to pre-loss condition.